Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your double-click behavior to a single click in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, you will need to open File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select the Options item from that menu. This will open the Folder Options window. On the General tab, which is typically the default tab that opens, you will find a section titled Click Items as follows. Here, you can choose between double-click to open an item or single-click to open an item. Select the radio button next to single-click to open an item. After making your selection, click the Apply button, and then click OK to save your changes. From this point forward, a single click will open items in Windows 11. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.